Well. Hello there. Yun's here. Tsukaremashita ka? Nemui desu ka? May you fall asleep in the arms of a dream. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, hari ni gue nak unboxing Dreamcatcher punya mini album Dystopia Road to Utopia. And for your information, this is my first kpop album. Okay, and this is also my ultimate girl group. Okay, first I think this is the poster, right? It's kind of hard to open it. It's so tough. See. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I love that. I don't know where I wanna put it. Tak tahu nak tampal dekat mana. Gulung dulu. Nak masukkan tak boleh. Tak apalah, kita letak tepi je dulu. Okay, now the album. Let's open it. Oh, I see you there. Cute. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my god, Jiu and Swa Queen. I love all of them. They are so cute. I think the eye shape. Oh my. I'm gonna censor that. You can see my face, right? But I will censor it so you can see it. Oh, and I think the eye shape is because the title song, right? Ot-I. I love all of their songs in this album. I don't know which one are the most favorite one because I love all of them. I love all of their songs from debut until now. Even their Japanese that just recently released is so good also. I'm trying to open it. Bear with me, this is my first time with kpop album. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I tried to open it from the top daripada atas tapi tak boleh. Ooh, I don't see that. I don't see that. I really don't see that. The city. So pretty. Oh my. I'm gonna censor that. In this, I think this Dreamcatcher kit, right? The Dreamcatcher kit accessory, I think. It's so pretty. And this is the Dreamcatcher kit, and you must make them. I totally love this concept. They're so pretty. Oh my god, Xion. Xion. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god. Oh, handong. Handong. Oh my, all of them. All of them is so cute. So cute. Dummy. Gayon. Oh my. Gayon. She's so cute. And she knows it. And this is the poster. Oh dear. Yeah, she's so pretty. Dear, Swa. Swa. Dear. Our queen. I cannot breathe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Xion. Xion. Hello. You're so pretty. Look at her hair. Look at their clothes. You're young. Oh my. I don't know what to say. Oh my. Handong. Gayon. And all of them powerful. Powerful. Wow, this concept is so bad. Oh my god, Suwa. Oh my god, Suwa. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, someone help me. I cannot. Yeah. She's so pretty there. And Tommy. Tommy. Oh my god. Gayon. Gayon. Control yourself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gayon. Sion. They look so nice. I think for this album, this is my favorite concept. Hot pink. Handong. Look at her face makeup. It's so nice. Dummy. Gayon. Jiu. Suka makeup yang dekat dia punya pipi, yang dia punya dekat belah leher tu. Her eye makeup, oh my god. Handong. I miss her. Yuhyun. Dami. Gayon. Oh my god. Lips. She looks like a vampire somehow. Oh my god, they are so pretty. I love this photo. Oh my god, this is another concept, right? Suka dia punya apa, biru, dia punya macam contrast dia. Oh my god, so this is Inst. They look so powerful. Oh my gosh, Yan. Oh my god. Ano? Yan. Gayon. They're so... I love them so much. They are my most favorite girl group other than the old generation group like the generation 21, banyak lagi tapi itu. this concert. I think, I don't know why, but when I see this concert, it reminds me of Black or White song because of the hat and the black and white clothes. Oh my god, Handong. She's so pretty. Yun. Dami. It is so nice. And this is the lyric. Alright. I cannot read it because I don't understand Korean. I love the limited edition because they have all the pictures. So yeah, that's why I bought the limited edition one. Actually, I want to buy their previous album, but I cannot because I don't have money. Oh my god, yawn. Oh my god, look at her eyes. She's staring at me. She's staring at me. I think this is what people say, the function of the eye shape. Let her stare at you. Sua, I got Sua. I already got G1, GU1, Sua 2, and Xion 1. Dummy. Oh my dummy. Gayon. She's so cute. Our cute maknya. One Jiu, two Sua, one dummy, one Kahyon, one Xion. That means I don't have Handong and Leon. I want them. I want all of them. I don't have bias, by the way. I love all of them. I don't know if I can do the Dreamcatcher kit. Or I'm just gonna let them stay in the plastic. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.